students can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's begin the new question. Let's begin the new question. So we can take the third example. I think second example is already completed. So we can use like as this problem, you can look at this as problem type of LSD because you have given the treatment, you have given the rows, right? And we have given the columns. So you need to be obtain the respective values of rows, columns, and treatment total. So which treatment total is missing here? E, right? So based on E, so you have to do the addition of all E treatment. That will be the total of. Do you remember the formula for treatments? Like if you know that. I'll show you the treatment in the case of treatment. What was your missing value? Can you see? So x is equal to m time total of, means you can rows total, column total, and you have a treatment total. You can add those totals. M time minus 2g upon m square minus 3m plus 2. So first you need to be obtained m. First you need to be obtained m. So what is your m in this case? M is equal to
5.
But 5, which is same as number of treatment also equal to number of rows also equal to number of columns. Okay, so that is equal to 5. So how many observations you have total? N, which is equal to m square, na? Right? M cap 2, I'm writing. This is the way you can write this, which is equal to 20. So either you can write, if you're writing IK form mein, you can just find out PI total.
183.5.
Correct. So what you are writing, that is it T R dash? What you are writing that? पहले क्या लिखा था? T dash R. Okay. So if you want, you can write as usual, given in theory. That's it. So like statement R dash rows and column. So you have here statement, or I will say TIRJ column. Okay, that will also. So this represent your treatment total, which I think you already said. This is around 183.5. What could be your
202.
Yeah.
202.9.
202.9.
198.9.
Correct.
Column.
Column total become 198.9. So you can have a grand total then, which is how much? Anyone want it? 1171 point. Just check.
Yes, sir. G dash right. Same answer.
So you can get the values of x. So x is nothing but what? It was m time t I dash plus rj dash plus ck dash minus 2 times grand total divided by m square minus 3m plus 2. So you can substitute the values of that all T dot J, Ti dash, Rj dash, and Ck dash minus 2 times G and M values, and based on that, you will get the answer for X.
Sir, 48.675.
8 point.
675.
Then once you get these values of x, you know the procedure for solving the problems are similar to your LSD, right? So in LSD, what you do after that, you are finding the row, column, and treatment. Remember? Then find out correction factor, find out all these summations, everything. Then hypothesis, and then this ANOVA table, and based on that criteria. So the
Hello,
only
sir.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
सर ये x का वैल्यू मिलने के बाद ये क्वेश्चन को CRD से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना?
CRD से क्या सॉल्व करेगा? कैसे सॉल्व करेगा?
सर प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 5 था जो एक.
अरे CRD नहीं है, LSD Latin square design.
ओके सर, ओके.
This is Latin square design. ये उसके अंदर आपको treatments दिया है. You have given treatment, you have given the rows, you have given the columns, right? And you have an equal number of rows, equal number of columns. So you can apply LSD. So after that, you can do exactly same as LSD problem. LSD में क्या क्या निकालते थे आप, निकालने का पूरा. So I'll just paste that part. First you need to obtain this one. Calculate all row total, column total, everything. पहले निकालो. Even this is we have already found, which is 25. Okay, fine. This is already you have found. Just calculate this rows, column, and treatment. Then you need to obtain this all corrections, everything. Then you need to define this all sum of square totals as well as all till here. Okay. Fine, but you can start calculating this all. Okay, rows, column, I'll just edit this. I will change that. Let me see how much it can cost. Yes. So now you need to be obtain these values. So if you have calculated, let me know what are these values. Anyone? First, what is the, I will be say row total. Anybody got? You know how to find row total, right?
सर रो टोटल का R1 235.1
235.1
1 R2 231.7
R2
231.7
31.7 3 251.6. Just check. 258.5, and then finally you have 253. Similarly, you can take column total also. The column total is 65.6, 238.1,
हेलो सर
बेटा बोलो
सर R3 का वैल्यू 251.575 आ रहा है
R3 कितना आ रहा है
251.575
ठीक है देखते हैं let's other can also cross check everyone please cross check that answer row 3 is the total is coming that or this one which is written on the screen just verify then we can accordingly we can change let calculation start you have a grand total also which is simply 1219.9. Okay, might be it is taken approximate. Right? बोलो क्या changes है किधर?
सर R3 में
R3
251.575
575. Anything else? Anything else changes? I hope everybody is calculating, not just simply writing and looking at the screen. Or maybe they have approximated to like to 51.6 means they have just approximated to up to 0.2 like fine. So once you get these answers you can calculate the grand total also you can calculate the correction factor using G
चलो सर
square.
C4 में भी चेंजेस आएगा.
कितना आ रहा है C4 में?
575 247.575. सर C4 में आपने R4 में चेंज किया. 248.5 R4.
C4 ना
Yes.
575.
Yes sir.
Means I think they have approximated to 6. हो सकती है.
सर अप्रॉक्स कर सकते हैं वैल्यू का.
Actually, that is, I don't know, because I feel like all the data which you can see in the problem, it is given approximated to one digit. So might be that's why they have done this all the data like in after decimal one. But while doing the calculations, you can do. But this is some total. I think they have done. तब एक जगह और change होगा यहाँ पे somewhere. But it doesn't much differ. Like answers में इतना difference नहीं आता. Let's see whether
P5 में चेंज होगा सर.
हाँ.
वैल्यू चेंज होगा.
Yes. Option क्या आ रहा है उसमें क्या आ रहा है? इसका आंसर क्या मिल रहा है? P5 में
232.175.
Yeah, because they approximated to it is 2. That's right. Okay, fine. So you can calculate these values now. And let me know approximated answer. You can find out first correction factor according to this grand total. Then total sum of square, treatment, whatever the treatment you got, like based on this T, then rows, then columns. Okay, all subterm का square करो और add up करो. By the time I will edit this table, I think no table में 444 रहेगा because we have 5 rows 5 columns. So it is very simple task calculating these all. If you have correctly calculated this all sum of square like summations, okay, row summation, treatment summation, column summations, and then you can apply your usual sum of square formulas, and you may get these answers immediately. And then define the three hypotheses, which is one for the effects of different treatments, one for the effects of different rows, and other for the effects of different columns. And then you can prepare the ANOVA table, which is also known as analysis of variance table. So we can, I'm just writing this values. You can everyone cross check that. This is 913.2416. This is 77.9016. This is 141.5256. And we have an error 88.3608. We have 121.0296. Similarly, you will be get this one also. 8.3104. So sum of square divided by the degree of freedom will give us the mean sum of square. So we will be get similarly for error also. So mean sum of square for treatment divided by error. Mean sum of square for error. You'll be get f calculated for treatment. So this is f treatment, which is equal to, I have answer up to 2 digits. F R, which is 2.4244, and similarly we have FC, which is 4.4046, and all these values are going to be the same. 4,11. Acha, we never discuss about degree of freedom. So total observation is I think 25. So out of 25, so 25 minus 1, which is 24, and again one observation is missing. So if one observation is missing, then you have minus 2, so it is 23. And then if you just do the difference, we will get 11. So all these answers is going to be same, which is 3.59, 3.59, 3.5. And hence, you have the decision criteria, and you can put the conclusion. So I think for treatment, it is same. For treatment and column. For treatment, the F cal will be greater than F cap. And for the column also, F cal will be greater than F cap. But for the rows, it is less. So for treatment and can say column. For treatment and columns. You are getting this result. F cal will be greater than F cap. And hence, one can conclude treatment, there is significant difference. Rows, there are no significant difference. And column, there is a significant. Because you're rejecting actually. So any question, anyone? Let me know. So you can finish that part.